Hey guys, Dayton Anderson here, and I wanted to create this video today to really share with you 5 marketing tips and tricks that are going to help you close 85 to 90% of the people that you talk to into your business, all right? People go out, they're facing a lot of rejection, they're facing a lot of objections, they're wondering why people aren't interested in their opportunity like they are. And so what I'm going to share with you today is what to be saying, what to be doing with the people that you talk to so that you're always closing them into your business. People are joining you, they're buying the products, all right? And the first one, and what's often overlooked, is to invest in your education, all right? There's really only one reason why people will join you in your business, and that's because they view you as somebody that has value, somebody that has something to offer them, all right? And if you don't believe me, take the following scenario, for example, okay? Two people, exact same business opportunity, approach you, all right? One is a homeless guy, one is a guy that's driving a brand new BMW, wearing a suit, expensive watch on his wrist, everything just looks good. He's sharp, he's well dressed, well spoken, and they both pitch you on the same exact business opportunity, all right? Who are you more likely to join? Who are you more likely to get involved with? Definitely the homeless guy, right? No, I'm joking, I'm joking. You're gonna get involved with the business guy. Why? Because you feel like he's made money, he can teach you exactly how to do it, and if you follow exactly what he says and does, you're going to make money with your business, all right? And so that's why you believe that he has value to offer you. And so if you want people to join you, then you have to continually invest in your education, all right? So if you commit to learning one new thing a day, and you talk to somebody after 7 days of learning something brand new every single day, then guess what? At the end of those 7 days, when you talk to that person and they ask you a question, knowledge and information is just going to start flowing out of you. They're going to be like, wow, this person is passionate about what they're doing, and they actually have things to teach me. I need to know what they know, because you're talking to them about closing, you're talking about selling, you're talking about creating buyer's rush, you're talking about generating leads, making sales, you know how to get over buyer's resistance, different things like that. It's just exploding out of you because you've taken the time 10 to 15 minutes a day to invest in your education, all right? And prospects see that. They feed off your energy, they feed off your enthusiasm, they see your emotion, and then they're more likely to buy, all right? Number two, money, you command the sale, all right? Number two, command the sale. You get on the phone, you're talking to somebody, hey Jim, so are you serious about making money, or are you just fooling around? Are you joking around? No, I'm serious, man. I need the money. I mean, are you going to be committed, or are you just interested in making money? No, I'm committed. I'll do whatever it takes. I'll do whatever it takes. All right, so if I can show you exactly how to make, $10,000 a month over the next 30 days, are you going to do exactly what I tell you to do? Or are you going to go out, you're going to watch TV when you get home? No, I'll do exactly what you say. I'll do exactly what you say. All right, here's what you're going to do next. Are you by your computer? Yeah, I'm by my computer right now. I want you to go to this page. I want you to type in your name and information. Do you have a credit card with you? Yeah, I have a credit card. All right, we're going to get you making $10,000 a month over the next 30, 60, 90, whatever it takes. I'm going to go to the ends of the earth to work with you, or find 6 and 7 figure earners that are going to work with you and teach you exactly what you need to be doing in your business. Go to the page, fill out your name and information, call me when you're done with that, all right? Command the sale. Tell them what they're going to do next. A lot of people, they get on the phone, did you watch it? Yeah. Okay. What did you like? All right. So when can you, do you want to join? No, you tell them exactly what you want them to do. I want you to go here, get it started. This is what you're going to do. That is how you command the sale, all right? Some people are on the edge and they just need a little bit more. You tell them what they're going to do, and it's like you're already coaching them, teaching them how to make money, all right? Command the sale. Number three, create scarcity, a fear of loss, all right? So if you have somebody that watches your company overview, or you're talking to somebody, you call them up on the phone. Hey John, you said that you were going to watch the company overview on Sunday. Did you get a chance to watch it? No, I didn't really get a chance to watch it. Okay, well, I'm not going to call you anymore, John. There's a 6 and 7 figure earner that was willing to work with you, teach you everything that they know about marketing. But you know what? I had other people watch the company overview, and I'm going to get them involved with him instead, all right? So I'm just going to leave you alone now. I'm going to let you go, okay? when people hear that, when they hear, you know what, other people are watching it, they could get trained by somebody else, no one is going to be like, oh, okay, yeah, sorry, Jim, I'm going to put down the phone now. No, they're going to be like, what? There's somebody that's going to work with me, teach me exactly what to do in my business. And so then their ears perk up. Nobody's going to hang up after that, all right? If you could get somebody to work directly with them and teach them how to make money, then guess what? That person's ears are going to perk up. They're going to listen. They're going to watch that video. They're going to watch that training. They're going to join you in your business, all right? And if your company doesn't have that person, I'm going to show you directly below this video. There's going to be a link that shows you every Wednesday night at 9 p.m. there's a group of leaders, people that are earning 6 and 7, 8 figures in this industry, and they get together and they show exactly what's working in their business and why, with a step-by-step blueprint. Okay, go here, click here, this is why you're clicking here, this is what you're going to do next, this is why you're doing it, so that you know how to market your business, you know how to generate leads, you know how to close people into your business, all right? And so if you don't have somebody in your company that's going to work with your people, I'll show you how to get access to a community of people for free so that you can always have somebody to show your prospects to, all right? So you create that fear of loss. You show them, oh, well, you know what, there's other people that are interested. I'm going to put them on with the training, and I won't call you again. And people are going to listen. Their ears are going to perk up because you know what, now you have something of value to share with them, and time is running out, all right? The next thing you want to do is make it about them, all right? A lot of people, when they're talking to somebody, they talk about, yeah, our products are great, our company is great, we've been in the industry for this long, you know what, our company, product sells itself, this thing. No. People want to know how it's going to work for them, okay? You need to make it all about them. You know what? When you get involved, you're going to get this, you're going to get this, you're going to get this. I'm going to personally set up your coaching with this person. Every Wednesday at 9 p.m., they're going to have a training that teaches you exactly how to generate leads and how to find interested people every single day for your business, all right? And people are going to be more receptive, more open to joining you because they know what they're going to get. They know how you're going to make it work for them, all right? And the last thing, you want to target your market, all right? A lot of people go and they chase around their family members and their friends, and you know what? That's a very untargeted market because guess what? How many of them have come to you and said, you know what? I want to start a home-based business. I want to join a network marketing business. And you know what? If they have, then that's a target market. Go out and talk to them. But I bet you very few, if any, have ever come to you and said that. But once you know how to position yourself on the internet, you can take your opportunity and put it in front of hundreds of thousands of targeted people every single day, all right? Look at Super Bowl ads and the marketing that big companies do, all right? They know their target market inside and out. They know what they think about, what keeps them up at night, what's their greatest fear, what's their greatest desire, what their favorite color is, how tall they are, how short they are. They know who their target market is and they market to them, all right? When you're taking something that people are looking for and giving it to them, that is how you really make a lot of sales. That's how you make a lot of money. But if you're trying to take salt and sell it to slugs, or meat and sell it to vegetarians, you know what, you might find somebody that decides, you know what, today I feel like eating meat, I don't want to be a vegetarian anymore. But the odds are not in your favor. Whereas if you're selling, veggie meat to vegetarians and beef hot dogs to meat eaters that are looking for hot dogs, you're going to close a lot more people into your business, all right? And if you don't know how to target your market, if you don't know how to find interested people consistently for your business, then I want you to click the link directly below this video, all right? If you put these 5 principles, these 5 tactics into your marketing funnel, into your patterns of talking to people, you're going to close 85 to 90% of the people into your business just from 2 or 3 of them alone. Create scarcity, target your market, command the sale, invest in your own education, and once you're doing these things, people are going to be attracted to you. You're going to have value to add to people, and that's when they join you, all right? So go ahead, click the link below. My name is Dayton Anderson. I'll be speaking with you again soon.